there. Fresh buffalo right there. Fresh buffalo ribs right there. All right, so we just got to the lake. The sun is setting. It's about 5:30. We're gonna try to do a catch and cook on the side of the lake. We're gonna try to catch a buffalo, fry them up right here on the side. Have a nice little fish fry right here on the side of the lake. Got my son AJ with me. Check out the new Angler Fever hoodies. We only need to catch one buffalo because one buffalo is enough for both of us. But hopefully we catch more just for fun. We'll throw the rest back. And I'm also hoping to catch a catfish too. If I catch a catfish, we're gonna fry that thing up. This is our fire pit from last time we were here. We were night fishing out here. But yep, the sun's gone down. It's gonna get dark here in a minute. All right, so it's gotten darker. No bites yet. All right, guys, looks like we got our first bite. Check it out. Nice little channel cat. We're gonna fillet him up, fry him up. All right, so we're getting about ready to fry this catfish up. I got the Coleman grill out right here. About to put the pan on, put some oil in it, and start warming this oil up. I got the catfish nuggets sitting in some Frank's Red Hot. I'm gonna pour some oil. Oh yeah. Let it fight, let it pull. Oh yeah. Easy. Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's dinner. We're right there at about the temperature. We're gonna go ahead and start frying these catfish. Going from the Frank's Red Hot into the batter. That's the alarm for the temperature gauge. Shake those bad boys up. Just gonna drop them in there. Catfish nuggets. All right, we're gonna let the catfish fry up, and my son just caught that buffalo, so we're gonna let him bleed out, and then I'm gonna prepare the buffalo to be fried up, and then we're gonna fry up them buffalo ribs. All right, so these bad boys look like they're about done. And we're still fishing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try the catfish, y'all. The little appetizer before the buffalo. Oh yeah, good catfish right there, boy. All right, y'all, we got the buffalo ribs right here. What I like to do, I like to cut them into like 2 ribs a piece, 2 or 3 ribs a piece. Just like that. And there you go, there goes the buffalo ribs. We're gonna throw these in some Frank's Red Hot and then batter them up and fry them up. Okay, so we're dropping the ribs into the Frank's Red Hot. Let them get nicely coated. Cook them up real good. Right into the grease. So my son got hooked up to another one. Nice. We're still frying up. We're still frying up the first buffalo over there, but we only needed one. This will be way too much for both of us, so we're gonna go ahead and let this one go. Well, that's a nice catch right there. Pretty nice buffalo right there. Alright, so buffalo ribs are done. Nice fish right here on the side of the lake. Look at that. Look at that white meat right there. Fresh buffalo right there. See, these ribs, they only have a large bone like that, but that large bone, you're not gonna choke on that bone. You just pull it right out and you have nothing but boneless meat. All right, guys, so we came out here, we caught a catfish, we caught a buffalo, we fried them up right here on the side of the lake. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to follow.